ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just what we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Kagabi di ko na close yung vlog natin. But yeah, yung pinuntahan namin na street, super busy. Ang dami pang naganap doon. Merong mga pulis. Hindi ko na na-vlog kasi wala na tayo ng memory card. Good morning. Kagabi hindi ko na na-close yung vlog. Pero yeah, yung dinaanan natin street sa city, sobrang busy talaga. Kasi ang daming ganap. May mga pulis pa. Nakaligo na tayo. And today kami uuwi. So mag-skincare lang tayo. Si Rex nagluluto na doon akong breakfast. Ako ayusin ko yung mga gamit namin kasi today nga tayo uuwi. So meron ako dito, ano pala. Ito yung Keep Cool and Soothe Serum. Ayan. Paubos na to. Yan yung kanya. Korean to. Paubos na to eh. Yung kanya yung nilagay ko essence. Nag-iisip ako kung i-blower ko yung buko. Huwag na lang. Kasi pauwi na lang naman tayo. And meron tayo dito yung Beauty of Joseon na Centella plus Vitamin C from Korean din ito. Paubos na rin ito. Kunti na ng gamit na gamit. Ano si hindi. Si Sok umiiyak na. And ito yung ating from Charis. From Charis to, yung Medica Suicide Cica Cream. Matagal pa natin ginagamit. Nakita nyo na to before. May maliit niya na size. Yan yung malaking size. And then ating sunscreen is Beauty of Joseon din. And Ginseng Moist Sun Serum. From ano naman, Beauty of Joseon din. Ganda rin siya. Yung stick niya hindi ko gusto. Mayroon ko yung stick. Hindi nag-iwan siya ng bakas. Hindi yung hindi yung white cash. Yung kanyang stick, parang may libag ka. Ganun yung niya. Naiiwan sa mukha. So pag in-apply mo siya, mayroon siya parang may libag. So, hindi ko na siya ginagamit. Yun yung aking experience doon. Okay. Maglagay ako mag-concealer lang ako ng Tibiant. Pero maglalagay ako nitong yung primer ng Tibiant. Ang ganda nito, guys. Ang ganda nito. Yan. Tapos mabango pa. Maglagay ako nito. Kasi nag-add siya ng glow. Tapos concealer ng Tibiant din. Sobrang gusto kong Tibiant product. Ito yung Lisbon. Tapos meron ako ditong Capri. Yung medyo darker na konti. Capri. Yan. Ito lighter. So nilalagay ko to sa mata. Minsan. So ito, lagay natin ito dito. Kunti lang naman. Yung ginagawa ko. Kunti lang. As in, dot-dot lang. Tapos blend ko lang. Yan lang ang ating. Okay, tapusin ko lang ito. Magkikilay lang naman ako. Tapos lipstick. Yun lang naman. So yan, tapos na. And bumaba pala ako kumuha ko ng plastic para sa aming mga madiduming damit. Ayusin ko dito, tingnan niya. And then yung sa boys, ayusin ko din. Magligpit lang tayo dito. Oh, sana hindi ganun kainit. Kasi, babiyahe tayo. Sa akin bang side yung sun? Kasi minsan, nasa side ko ata yung yung araw.
Can you tell
Si
me
Arlo tsaka si Sak doon.
where to start?
Habulan sila ng habulan. Habang si Sisi busy, nagluluto ng breakfast
I
doon.
need someone to empty this heart. Any direction now would help. Let me give you a piece of advice, she said. Larger ain't bolder, and wiser ain't older. Just hold on.
Ito may bag. Nagbibihis doon si Jen. Tapos ako maglinis doon. Dito naman. Buksan natin yung blinds. Ito yung pabango ni Kuya. Bogus, ha? Bogus. Bogus. No, kay Sak pala to, Bogus. Zara. Vibrant Leather, yung scent. Itong pabango ni Zak. Mambubogos na si Sak. Si Kuya, hindi ko alam kung nandito yung kanya. Baba ng mga to. Hindi ko to dun sa... Si Kuya, mahilig mag-hot. Sabi ko, baka makalbo talaga itong maaga kasi kahit nasa bahay, nagbabiyahe naka-hot. Hindi siya naniniwala na makakalbo siya pag lagi siyang nakasombrero.
Do what you believe in. Under bridges.
Ang cute ng cover. Ay, di ba? Naputol yung ating kuko.
Keep on dancing.
Tanggal yung kuko. Naramdaman ko.
Seen so many dogs.
Dapat talaga pinag-prep ang kuko pa naglalagay ng press on nails. As in,
Get some
dapat, talaga siya, linisin siya ng maigi. Minadali ko lang din po.
Let me give you a part of myself, she said.
Hindi ko nakita yung kuko ko.
Larger ain't bolder, and wiser ain't older. Just hold on to what you believe in. Yes, everything changes, and so must we. Just stay true to what you believe in. When the nightingale sings, you should
Ayan. Ang natitira na lang dito ay yung phone tsaka charger nila. So, sila na ang kukuha niyan mamaya. At ayan, nalinis na natin si John. Tinanggal niya na yung luggage dito. Ito yung hiniram ko to kay Sising jacket. Sasaulin na natin. Tsaka ito, hiniram ko ito kay Sisi. And ayan yung aming. Yan sa boys yung luggage namin. Binabala ni John. Ito yung labahan. And dito, nadampot ko na yung mga buhok ko. Ang dami kasing naglalagas lately na naman. Kasi hindi na ako nakakapag-treatment ng aking buhok. But, yeah. So, natanggal na natin yung mga buhok natin dito. And eto, yung order yan ni Sisi, na tapa, tsaka yung contact lens. Ay, yung drops. Para sa contact lens. Ano tayo? Daming obstacles. Oo. Yung tapa. Kumakain na sila. Good morning, Dan. Kaya nga. Pinapatulog siya. Hindi naman natulog. Kain na sila. What are you having? Oh, Australian. Beans and... Yeah, baked beans. Gustong-gusto niya yan. Baked beans and egg. Dong!
Keep eating Arlo.
Meron siyang longganisa, corned beef, hotdog, rice, eggs. Masarap. How's the longganisa? You like it? It's alright? You like the little one? Oh, mas gusto talaga nila na yung natikman natin. Yung talagang the best. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, that's my plate now. Maliit yun. Yung maliliit yun na ano. Hello. Hello. Hi. Say hi, guys. Hi. Tawa-tawa lang yan, pero daming suka lagi nito. No? Ha? Daming suka, daming luha. Na? Sa ano? Naano ko yan, Day? Natanggal ko yung... Ano yan, yung... Try mo nga, be. Kung... Kasi dalawa yun na klase. May spicy tapos yan. So, hindi ko... Oh, kasi may drawing na isa dito. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung isa. Oo. Tapos, ayan yung kay Ana. Drop. Be, ano be? Hindi mo pa ito pinakain? Pakainin mo solid.
Oh, solid?
Gusto mo kumain ng solid? Kahapon hindi mo, sinayang mo yung solid. Lagi tayong nasa labas, no? No, pinainit yun. Ha? Tito dyan, ang bini-breakfast is yung beans. Gustong-gusto niya yan. Yan ang Australian food daw. Sausage, beans, eggs. Hello. Oh, yung si Suka. Ni Suka, B. Ay, caught in the camera ka, B. Diba, sabi ko sa inyo, si Suk to eh. Ha? Hello, ang puti mo, B. You're so white. Merilo. Natulog siyang ganito? Na may ano, may ganito? Mga burluloy?
Pero napalitan ko pa yan kagabi ng pajamas.
Hindi, itong mga burluloy niya ba?
Hindi, sinulumad ko ata yun. Ewan ko. Did you sleep with your accessories on?
Did you sleep with this, Baba? No, okay. Hi, Dong. Say hi, Dong. Good morning. We are going. Why? Because there's
here.
after breakfast.
After breakfast, they're gonna go low. You're not gonna see Kuya Jack and TJ. Who's your best friend?
Si Kuya
TJ and Zach.
TJ, sak na. Nagbago na siya. Dalawa na.
How about Holly?
Aba, Holly. Tapos na kami kumain. And yung mga balls, di pa ito binaba. Boys, oh. Naglalaro pa sila. Put this one in the car, please. Dong! We're going. Give me a kiss. Dong! Come here. Can I have... Wait. Can I have a big... Can I have a big hug? I love you. When I'm gonna see you? In your car. I'll see you on my birthday? Yes. What are you gonna get for me? Big hug? You give me a big lots of kisses? Yes. Okay, give me now.
Wait.
Ah, good. Oh, that's Kuya.
You're not following me.
Ay, ang dami kong kisses. Ay.
You want them?
Para siya si Sak. Oh, just like Kuya Sak. Thank you. Dami kong kisses. Like Kuya Sak. Oh my God. Para siya si Sak. Ang cute. Dai. Ang cute ni Arlo. Sabi ko, bigyan mo, give me lots of kisses. Parang siya si Sak, kinis niya akong dami. Sabi ko, oh, parang si Sak.
Sabi niya, many kisses.
Many kisses. Tapos hindi, dito. Sabi ko, oh, lahat. Tapos gumagano na po. Tapos ginagano niya. Dito pala magkikiss siya. Sabi ko, parang si Kuya Sak. Ay, mini Sak talaga to, mini Sak.
Your turn. Not in the eye.
Hello, did you give Tita Manay many kisses?
Body shots, no headshots.
Not the eye, ha? Not the... Oh.
Go on.
Get him! Oh, you got him! Hello, Stan!
Arleston.
And then Marsha.
No?
No shot.
Hello, Stan. Hello, not the eyes.
Not the eyes,
head.
Baba.
Not the head.
The body only.
Hello,
Wala.
not the
Wow. Zachary. No.
Give us one shot.
Go play a game. That's what you're
Who are you shooting? Hello?
Ang cute ni Arlo mag-kiss na. Arlo, Mommy's asking you.
Did you give Tita Manay many kisses?
Yes. Ang ano niya talaga kasi wala parang si Sak. Oh, si Sak. As in, ganun siya. Uwi na to. Mga boys. Boys, ano na? Hoy, boys, come on.
Help your mom, boys.
Oh, get this one, please. Kaya nga.
Yeah, you can get off. I don't know how to turn that.
This is nice, very nice.
Uy, ang ganda ng way.
Kaya nga, Sarah.
Sarap i-alis.
Kaya nga. Alis kami.
You're only going to climb up there next time and just take
Yeah, I've already looked at that. I was trying to think it.
I just need a
I've
ladder.
seen that ladder.
No, like you buddy.
Hoy, Dong. Ito naman si Dong.
Jump.
Wala na, babe.
Okay lang?
Oo, wala naman.
Bye, Dong.
Bye, Dong daw. Ayan, nagsombrero na naman siya. Bye to Tita Ray's. Just put in the side. How about Tita Ray's? Bye to Kuya Sak.
Give Kuya Zach a big high five and a big fist bump.
High five.
High five daw Kuya Sak.
Fist bump. Alright, fist bump.
Kaya nga. See you, babe. Thank you. See you, Dong. See you, Dong. Grabe ang init. Sobrang init. Saan? Yeah, she got the shoes. Uy, sino yan?
Yung shoes niya.
Yan, dala niya na. Kaninong karaban yan, Day?
Yours a prime.
Ah!
I got something first.
Yeah, go for it.
Dito na talaga magpa-prime. Ito.
Just take it.
Just one each. Hoy, Dong. Ate Holly. That's a lot of prime. Magiging ganito ka sa, like, yung energy mo, grabe.
That's
Why don't you want only drink it anymore?
I do the free one every now and again. They can have it. And the other one,
Bye, Lila.
Tingnan mo siya.
that isn't anything. Doesn't pick me up.
Oh, sa Renmark na kami magkikita.
Have you got him floating?
Dinala mo yun? Yung inano ko sa'yo? Yeah.
Sira.
Ay, sira yun. Careful there, ate. What's that? Energy? No, I don't like that. No, I don't like it.
Masarap kaya.
Ayoko, parang... Bye to Tito John.
Tito Jan, bye-bye.
Dad, look at his face when he goes.
He does funny facials.
No. Tingnan mo ang mukha niya, oh. Parang yan na yung ano niya din. Kaya yung magsayaw niya, ganun feeling, parang siyang yung lasing na walang nainom na.
Parang wala pa, hindi pa ka nakainom ng hangover.
Yan. Parang ano siya.
Hindi pa ka nakainom ng hangover.
Grabe mo nga. See the face, huh?
He's making the face again.
Let me see your face, Dong. Show me your face, Dong. Look at me. Ay, ewan ko sa'yo, Dong.
Careful, mate.
Baka dyan yan maano. Show me your face. Show me your face. Face. Paano niya na yan? Ano siya lang na ano? Sige na. Oh my God, bye na. Totoo na, bye. Kanina bye pa, hindi pa nakakaalis. Dong, kisses for Tita Manay again. Kiss Tita Manay. Tita Manay, come on. Kisses, we're going. Many kisses, please. Again. Parang kita, amata. Ay, dami. Mas marami to kay Kaysa. Thank you. Ang dami. Ang dami. Mas madami yun kay Kaysa. Akala ko si Sak ng marami. Natalo siya. Ay. Bye, Dad. Nasa ano namin, nandito si Ayla.
Watch your head.
Hi.
Watch your fingers, guys. Watch your fingers. Push hard.
Bye.
Come back here. Come back here.
Bye, Dong. Ang cute.
Funny face.
Wait, on.
Okay.
Oh!
Funny face. Di funny face.
Funny face.
I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother. But let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What should we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me, yeah, she's what I need. I still need to recover from another lover. You're my picture perfectly. Still haven't met your parents, but we hang with your brother when he could use the company. What shall we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What shall we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen. Running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me, yeah, she's what I need. I still need to recover from another lover. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen. Running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me, yeah, she's what I need.
tayo ng Adelaide dito kay Stellenbosch. Pagas lang. Si Kuya nagtatago na naman. Si Hori nakanap. Tapos magpagas, may kukunin silang drinks. Ayan. Ayan sila.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, what you got?
I got Skittles.
You got Bounty.
What's your name?
John, favorite niya to. Bounty. I stopped buying this one.
Huh?
I stopped buying this.
Why?
Because
Oh,
too
that's
much.
bullshit. She just took the park.
Oh. May nakakuha ng parking niya. Ayan, in the middle, hon. Yeah. Okay, labas na lang kami. What you got, Kuya? Yeah, there's a toilet there. Huh? Snakes?
No,
Skittles?
worms.
What?
Sour.
Sour. What's this? Oh, mag-toilet siya. And that's the flavor water.
Want a Skittle rum?
No, I'm good, Holly. Thank you. What you got, Zach? What's the...
He got 3 of them for
What's
$2.
that? What's
the
that?
big lollipops.
Let me see your fly.
3 of them for $2.
Is that how big it is when you open?
Yes.
Alright.
Think anymore. I want to believe that I would take you home. Loving you isn't hard to do. I said loving you isn't hard to do. When I see you all the way from across the room, and I'm Saturday, I wanted to call, but I never know what to say. Taking pictures with my phone, distracting me from my brain. It's 2 p.m. You said just friends. The fuck happened? Yeah, I dreamed I had a million things to hold me over till you call, and now you're somewhere with someone else, and I've got nobody at all to break my fall. I told myself it'd be forever. You surprised me on my worst days. Now you're keeping me on my toes, saying you're on the way. It's 3 a.m. My brain is spent. The fuck is happening?
Dumaan pala kami dito sa Meningie kasi iniiwasan namin yung mga road works doon sa saan kami kumakain ng chicken sa Kit. And dito yung may masarap na kitchen na bun na bakery. So kuha daw kami. Si Jan gusto. Ha? Ayan, masarap ng, ayan yung famous bakery dito eh. And maraming caravan. Sabi ko, hindi naman school holiday, pero ang daming caravan. Okay. Kuha lang tayo. Just one hand?
And if they've got one of them,
What?
you know, the custard,
The custard tart?
that yellow one with the stuff. What are they called? Yeah, they're called custard tart.
Yeah,
aren't
with the crispy
With the-
crust.
they? Yeah.
Yeah, custard, yeah. Okay, just one of each. Kasi iniiwasan ko munang kumain. And nagtatry
I'll
ako
just have a
mag-edit.
jam donut.
You don't want the kitchen na bun.
No. Holly, you go so you can have a look.
Okay, come on, Baba. Okay, let's go.
Where's the bakery, Mama? Oh, there.
That one. Meningie Bakery. Tagal namin hindi nakapunta dito. And ito rin kasi yung first, first Adelaide na buong pamilya for this
If
year.
they have a cinnamon donut, I'm gonna get that.
You're gonna get cinnamon donut?
Yep.
Okay.
What one did Dad want? A jam donut?
Jam. So, hindi natin kukunin yung kitchen na ban. Kasi malaki yun. And ayoko naman kumain. Gusto ko pero iniiwasan ko muna. Para, you know,
Says exit only.
daming ano yun, sugar and calories. Ano baba?
Says exit only.
Okay, go in the other door. Pero masarap ang mga tinda nila dito. Sa bakery to.
Mama.
Oh, ang dami nga tao. Magla-line up ako. Nice in here.
Oh, sorry. I didn't realize.
Cupcakes, Mom.
Yung honey, tingnan nyo, ang laki. Ilang grams kaya to? Masarap din itong apricot slice. I-tour ko kayo, ha?
Saturday wanted to call, but I never know what to say. Taking pictures with my phone, distracting me from my brain. It's 2 p.m. You said just friends. The fuck happened?
The heart, thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
And my mouth probably. My mouth can't fit.
So, thank you. See ya. Bite it.
Aha! Too big in my tooth.
Oh, yan. Nag-ano na ang...
Oh, exit that way.
Ah, that way. Sorry. $10 itong dalawa. Okay. Thank you. Come on.
Thank you.
Ano? Nakagat mo? Kaya mo? This is the custard tart, Han.
There's a shape on it.
Big boys.
Gosh. Look at you. Is that the one, Han?
Jam, a little jam.
Yeah. But it's too big, Han.
What?
That one. I was thinking about the little tart. They have lemon tart there as well. Is it good? That lemon tart?
Playground.
I can make you that, Han. Custard. Oh.
So.
Oh, the seagull. No, they saw this one. Hala. Ay.
Nice one.
Don't throw Baba because they keep coming. Oh, diyan sila nabubuhay sa mga tira-tira. Tapos na yung mag-amang kumain and ayun si Oli nag-swing siya doon. Ayan. Siya yan. Ayan na siya. Kinawag na siya ni Daddy. Alis na tayo and ako ayan, nag-edit tayo habang nagda-drive para may vlog tayo kasi kahapon wala tayong vlog.
Saturday wanted to call, but I never know what to say. Taking pictures with my phone, distracting me from my brain. It's 2 p.m. You said just friends. The fuck happened? Yeah, I dreamed I had a million.
Kararating lang namin sa bahay. Meron tayo dito. Ito yung ba? Parang ang baba. Yung tinake out namin kila Mers na kutsinta, pinadala sa akin ni Sissy Reyes. Ayan. Tsaka yung ano to, yung malagkit. Sapin-sapin. So, ibabalik natin ito. So, kay Sisi, ito yung kanyang ice pack. And pinadala niya rin ako ng chopstick. Nakain ko isa. Ilagay ko to sa ref kasi masarap to, guys.
Are we gonna have dinner?
Yeah, of course, we're just gonna have simple dinner, okay? Because it's like something.
Oh, can I bulldog ramen 3 times fast?
And ito, pinadala ni Danny Boy kay Sak. Kasi si Sak mahilig sa Prime.
They had one more.
Yeah, ayan.
So it's lemonade, strawberry banana,
Dami lang. Hindi ko to papayin sa kanya araw-araw. Once in a while lang.
strawberry banana.
And ito yung lollies.
Yeah, he only ate one. Look at all of this is gonna fill up the whole cup.
Whatever it is.
I'll just put it up here then.
Ang dami kong labahan. Ang daming
That way.
labahan. And bukas pasukan. Meron
Put
pa
someone
akong
out to
dito
share,
fruits na for tomorrow. Meron pa tayong kiwi. So, may fruits pa sila. Kiwi and oranges. Okay. So, end ko na yung vlog guys kasi mag-put away and maglalaba
Put it
ako.
up here then.
So, yun naman yung kanilang uniform. May uniform sila bukas. So, yun na yung vlog natin guys. Thank you. Thank you, Simple Rice and Dan.
Yeah.
Please like. Please
Subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog.
Bye.
Where'd you put all those drinks? In the fridge.
Yeah. Okay, where's the laundry bag, babe?
Oh, fuck. We've got to get the stuff out the back there.
Didn't you think of that?
Nakalimutan niyang ibaba. Ito may bola na naman dito sa loob ng bahay.
Can't go into the foot I'm using.
That's right.
But this is an apple I got. It's a glitter size 5 spec.
Mga labahan.
500.
Empty your bags, please.
Yeah.
Get the luggage. Where's the luggage, hon?
That's in the wash too.
Oh, Holly. Alright.
Whee!
See you guys. Naglaban na muna. Babay na ako sa inyo. Pero eto pala yung dinner na gagawin ko sa kanila. Corned beef. Tortang corned beef. Ayan. Naglagay tayo ng 7 eggs. Tapos nagluto na ako ng kanin. Ayan. So, ayan na yung dinner nila. Tortang egg na may corned beef. And rice. So, yun lang.
Cause I think I do.